So I've got to match my letters up. Every one of these problems, you'll see me highlight the sides first because it's just the best thing to do. I'm going to pick a side, so I'm going to pick AB. I'm going to match it up with the letters, so that's going to be DE. And then I'm going to take AC. I'm just picking these first sides out. AC matches up with DF. I'm going to take that DF right there. And then CD matches up with FF. So that's messages here if you're seeing this going on. So I've got all of those things matched up. And let's see here. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. So AC is green. So let's highlight that in green. CB is blue. And then it wants to know DF, which is green. Okay, and the reason I did that is because I want to make sure that I know which sides go together. So the sides of the same color have to go together. So when I set my proportion up, I'm going to set up proportions that have colors matched up in them. I have a scale factor with this one, so I want to use the scale factor, 1 to 4. And remember that you can use it. Look at this triangle smaller, so that's the 1 triangle, that's the 4 triangle. So when I'm doing this, I have 2 green sides. So this fraction right here is going to be a green fraction. And you'll see me highlight them sometimes. I don't always do it. And then the 1 triangle needs to go on top, which is AC, which is 4. The green triangle, which is DF, which I don't know, so I'm going to call it X, goes on the bottom. And then I'm going to cross multiply, and I'm going to get X equals 16. All right. You're going to want to practice some of these. You don't need to go in order. You can skip around. They get a little bit harder as you go down through. But this takes a little bit of time getting used to. And they're a little different when you have the scale factor versus when you don't have the scale factor. So do some practice, do a handful of problems. Make sure you really have a good idea of what's going on here because there's lots of things that can go completely